Okay.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening season 2 of the Grossery Gang. Here, let's get on with it. So,
What do you think?
well, I'm going to guess, before I open it, I'm going to guess what one I've got. So on the collector's list, I'm going to be guessing. What one should I guess? I'm guessing this purple one.
Couldn't you guess if you're getting a white chocolate box or a brown chocolate box as well?
Yeah.
Do that
And
one.
I'm going to be guessing if I've got a white chocolate box or a brown chocolate box. And for this round, I got brown. Got 2 blind bags. This is harder than I thought. I have a feeling this is a new one. Yay, it's a new one. It's a fire can. Is this one. And now I'm going to be opening the next one. This is a new one. I got like a piece of cake. That's my first one, guys. They're both commons. So now we're going to move on to our next one. And I think this one's going to be white chocolate this time. I got it right. It's white chocolate, you see. Why are we collecting this, guys? I'm going to be guessing again. So, I think this is going to be this banana right here. Take it. Got 2 blind bags again. I've got a duplicate. This is the one. I've got a duplicate. This is the duplicate. I got it like right here. You see, and that's one. Now let's open the other. That one's flying. Is this another duplicate? It's another duplicate! Like, this is another one. And like, this. And this. Oh my god! So that one's the new one. that one's the old one, so I'm going to move you over there and go to the next one. So I think this is brown chocolate. Oh no, I got it wrong. It's white chocolate. I'm going to get 100 collector guides. So I think I'm going to get this little chicken, guys.
Okay, but there isn't much video left, so you need to hurry up.
So I'm just going to put that over there. And let's crack on. This is hard, but I got it. This is my third one now. And this is my third one. Let me move it over here. Now we're going to the next one. I think this one is dark chocolate. White chocolate, actually. I keep on going for dark chocolate. It's white chocolate.
The video doesn't lost.
I think this is going to be the purple spaghetti wormy thing. So, this is a new one. I had the same one, but it was grey. It's the one I said.
Nasty nuggets.
Nasty nuggets. I got another one, but it's red.
Speak loud, and she can say it.
This is turning out well, but I've got like 3 duplicates, so that it's not going well.
Make sure you tell her which one it is.
And I think this one is definitely white chocolate. Keep on going for dark chocolate, and it's white chocolate, so I'm going for white chocolate. For one time, it's dark chocolate. Almost there. I'm not really sure, but I think it's this. It's the hot chili again. That went not. Oh my. It's the cake.
Bath brownie.
Bath brownie. Definitely brown chocolate. White chocolate. I think it's going to be this gingerbread man.
Keep that one there.
It's nasty nuggets again. And it's the orange. I think it's this cool guy. On the sofa. Well, this is a new one. I got this one.
Gooey nachos.
Nicky Nachos. I have a feeling this is a duplicate because it's round. Oh no, I already have this one.
Horrible orange.
I'm going quick. White chocolate. Brown chocolate. I'm having a feeling it's just satisfying. So now I'm going to open these two. Hopefully this is going to be fun. I already have this one. I got this one like 3 times. Fingers crossed I don't get a duplicate. I'm just so silly. Whew. Make sure you let them fingers across. Another duplicate.
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Wild dog.
Duck. Then they pop out. This is a new one. It's like barbecue sauce. This is a new one. Oh, I thought that was another one, but it's an old one. Seriously, subscribe to my channel. I'm doing lots of videos lately. So please go on YouTube. And you've got 5 seconds to subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can't subscribe anymore. This is a circle. Oh no. This is the nachos. Nacho. Comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel.
Comment down below your favourite.
Comment down below your favourite one. And I'll look on Instagram. I got some nachos. This ain't going well. Gotta run. Oh my. There are lots of brown chocolates lately. This is the world of no, can't be.
Horrible orange.
Oh my, I'm getting so many duplicates. It's unreal. I absolutely really want the gingerbread. I got some nasty nachos again. I'm getting 100 duplicates. Got another one. I'm going as quick as I can. White. Brown. I know all of them are going to be brown. Hopefully this is a new one. So I've got like 100 duplicates. Nasty nachos! What is your problem with giving me nasty nachos? An horrible orange. I didn't know I was gonna get so many duplicates. I was thinking this is nasty nachos. It's nasty nachos. This is not good. This is not a good day for me. Yay! For once, it's actually white chocolate. This is not nasty nachos.
It's orange juice.
But it's the orange. This is a hard one. All of these are like nachos. a bad feeling. This is nasty nachos. He's on that show. That you've got the spicy sauce. Hopefully I get a new one instead of nasty nachos. I got a new one! No, wait. This is my third one. This is an orange. This is an orange.
Horrible orange.
I'll let you guys see in the comments down below. Tell me what one's your favourite. I'm not going to get the one that I wanted with all these duplicates, so am I. That leads us to nasty nugget. This is really nasty. This is a really this is going real bad. This is going real bad again, all these duplicates.
Let's hope we find one ultra rare or rare.
We've got nugget. Duplicate. I bet none of these are your favourite. no place like home. There's no place like home. These are duplicates, so you've already seen them all. I didn't know we were going to get this much duplicates.
It's not very good, is it?
No.
Hang on, what's this?
Is it glow in the dark?
Looks like a glow-in-the-dark one.
Oh my! I got a glow in the dark one!
Pick it up.
Ooh, yeah, but we need the box. In the dark woods, in the dark fields, with the dark fields. This is the last one. Well, there's like one more. Like that's what I meant. There's one more, I tell you, one more.
Bath brown sauce.
You've got an orange. Can I have the pot? Pot.
Right, so how many have we got left? We've got a couple left.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got a couple left.
They've been hiding with me.
Yeah, they've been hiding with my brother.
Oh, orange again.
Mm. Hi guys. I got these two.
So that one's a glow in the dark, and the other one is an ultra rare.
And it can colour change.
Yeah, so you got one colour changer, an
And
ultra
one-
rare, and one glow in the dark. So they're probably your two favourites.
Yeah, they're my two favourites.
So here are all your things. We've got a slushie. This can.
Full of rosy gang.
We've got a slushie full of grocery gangs. And these all there. So we did get a couple of doubles, but we got some new ones, didn't we?
Mm. I hope you like my video. Please comment down below and tell me what one's your favourite one. Bye.